Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to steam clean your Whirlpool oven. Quick and easy guys. First you need to remove these racks from the oven. Okay, before you begin this process for steam cleaning, remove any racks, any pots, or any accessories that may be inside. And then you just go ahead and wipe off any soil and debris. Okay, this is entirely optional, but ideally I want you to go ahead and do that. It's not necessary though, but you should try using a wet cleaning rag to wipe down the inside of your oven and remove any leftover crumbs, grease, or any other debris that may be present. And make sure your oven is completely cooled down before you do this step. Okay? Don't go ahead and hurt yourself, burn yourself. Okay? Now, what you need to do is go ahead and set your oven temperature or choose your steam clean setting. So if your oven has a steam clean option, then you need to simply press the steam clean button and let your oven do the rest of the work. And if your oven does not have this option, then what you can do is set your oven to 450 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes and you will start the steam cleaning. So just go ahead and press on start. Okay. And to avoid water spots or mineral deposits, use filtered or distilled water for the steam cleaning. Okay, and it's really that easy and simple. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to find your solution.